Once in the land of Etheria, a place shrouded in mysticism and ancient secrets, there lived a wise and powerful mystic named Alara. For centuries, she had guarded the source of magical energy known as the Mystic's Legacy, a mystical artifact that held the balance of the world's magic. Alara knew that the legacy must be protected from those who sought to misuse its power for greed and destruction. But as she grew older, she realized she needed to find a worthy successor to carry on her sacred duty. In a distant village, she discovered a young and curious girl named Lila. Lila possessed an innate connection to magic, and her thirst for knowledge impressed Alara. As she secretly watched over Lila, she saw the potential to become the next guardian of the Mystic's Legacy. With time, Lila's abilities grew, and she began to sense a hidden power within her. One fateful night, Alara revealed herself to Lila, explaining the significance of the Mystic's Legacy and the responsibilities it entailed. Seeing her potential, Alara offered to mentor Lila and pass on her wisdom. Under Alara's guidance, Lila learned the ancient arts of magic, delving into forgotten tomes and mastering spells that had long been lost. But as they delved deeper into the legacy's history, they uncovered a prophecy that foretold a dark force threatening to consume the world. Embracing her destiny, Lila dedicated herself to protecting the Mystic's Legacy and standing against the darkness that sought to claim it. As she honed her skills, she formed an unbreakable bond with Alara, who became not just her mentor but a cherished friend and confidant. With the newfound power and knowledge, Lila faced formidable adversaries and embarked on epic quests. Along the way, she met a diverse group of allies who joined her cause, each bringing their unique skills to the fight against the encroaching darkness. As Lila's journey unfolded, she discovered hidden truths about her lineage and the connection between her family and the Mystic's Legacy. Unraveling the secrets of her past, Lila realized she was destined to protect the legacy, not just for the world's sake, but for her own legacy as well. The story of the Mystic's Legacy became a timeless tale of courage, sacrifice, and the enduring power of friendship. It served as a beacon of hope in the face of adversity, reminding everyone that even the smallest spark of magic could illuminate the darkest of times and shape the destiny of an entire world. As Lila's reputation as the guardian of the Mystic's Legacy grew, so did the challenges she faced. The forces seeking to claim the artifact's power became more relentless, sending powerful adversaries her way, each with their twisted ambitions. One particularly formidable foe was the enigmatic and cunning sorceress, Seraphina. Seraphina had once been a friend of Alara's, but her thirst for dominance and unrivaled power led her down a dark path. Consumed by jealousy, she sought to claim the Mystic's Legacy for herself, believing it would grant her limitless might. The confrontation between Lila and Seraphina was epic, with spells colliding in a dazzling display of magic. Throughout their battles, Lila's belief in the importance of protecting the legacy never wavered, drawing strength from the bond she shared with her mentor, Alara. As the battle reached its peak, Seraphina unleashed a devastating spell that threatened to shatter the very essence of the legacy. Lila, fueled by love for the world she held dear and the trust Alara had bestowed upon her, summoned the deepest reservoirs of her magic and countered Seraphina's assault. The clash of magic was so intense that it shook the very fabric of Etheria, leaving scars upon the land that would be etched in history forever. In the end, Lila emerged victorious, banishing Seraphina from the realm and sealing away her malevolent presence. But the battle had taken a toll on Lila, and she knew she could not bear the burden of guarding the Mystic's Legacy alone. It was then that she realized the true meaning of the prophecy she had uncovered. The prophecy spoke of the need for unity and balance, a coalition of guardians who would safeguard the legacy collectively. With newfound purpose, Lila set out to seek other potential guardians, uniting individuals from different walks of life, each with their unique connection to magic. Together, they formed the Order of the Mystic, vowing to protect the legacy and preserve harmony in Etheria. The Order of the Mystic faced numerous trials, but their unity and determination made them formidable defenders of the world's magical essence. As the years passed, they established sanctuaries across Etheria, where young magic users could be trained in the ways of the ancient arts and the importance of safeguarding the mystic's legacy. Lila's legacy lived on through the generations, and stories of her heroism and sacrifice spread far and wide, inspiring hope in the hearts of those facing dark times. The mystic's legacy remained protected, and the world of Etheria flourished under the guidance of the Order. And so, the story of the mystic's legacy transcended time, becoming a timeless legend of bravery, camaraderie, and the enduring power of magic. Etheria thrived, forever grateful to those who had stepped up to bear the weight of history and protect the balance that kept their world alive.